Welcome to Easy Mathematics and a new video. Today we take a look at an integral from the UC Integration Bee 2021 from the final sheet. And this is the integral e to the sine x times tangent x times secant x plus 1 dx. And if you want to try this by yourself, I want to recall the derivative of the secant. It's tangent times secant, and this looks exactly like here. And I want to remind you to the product rule. So if you want to try this by yourself, these are my hints. And yeah, as always in such kind of problems, if you have a close look to the structure of the problem, and yeah, if you are experienced with trigonometric identities, then this one also can come into your mind. So it seems like there is maybe some product rule going on, and we will see. So let's write the integral down. Alright, my first step is to separate the integral, to distribute the e to the sine. And what we see is, like I mentioned, tangent times secant is the derivative of the secant, so we get this one here. And for this one we write cosine x over cosine x. And why we do this? Now if we take a close look, here we have e to the sine is u v prime, and here we have u prime. This is this part is u prime. So u e to the sine, u prime is e to the sine times cosine, and the integral of this secant. So if v prime is secant x prime, then v is of course the secant, and secant is 1 over cosine, so the blue part is exactly v. Okay, so secant x is 1 over cosine x. Okay, and therefore we have exactly the pattern of the product rule. And therefore the result becomes u e to the sine times v 1 over cosine, or secant x plus c if you like. Alright. This was, I guess, in comparison to the other integrals, quite easy. And in the next video we take care of another integral. Let's see. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.